A New York State appellate court rejected former President Trump's challenge of the gag order that he's under in his New York civil fraud trial. The testimony for that case, it wrapped up yesterday, and a decision is expected as soon as next month after closing arguments in court. I want to bring in NBC News Justice and Intelligence correspondent Ken Dilanian and MSNBC legal analyst Charles Coleman, a former Brooklyn, New York federal prosecutor. Welcome to you both, guys. Thank you. Ken, talk us through this. I know this just broke in the last couple of minutes or so, but this rejection of the former president's request to challenge that gag order.
Yeah, they did it in the form of a lawsuit against the judge, essentially accusing the judge of violating former President Trump's constitutional rights. The appeals court has simply rejected that argument and said that that this was not violative of his constitutional rights. I mean, the trial's over, so it's a kind of moot at this point, but still a kind of an affirmation that the gag order that Judge Engoron imposed on former President Trump was valid and constitutional.
So what does this mean, in fact, going forward? If we can talk just quickly about the New York civil fraud trial timeline, Ken, if you will, and then I want to move on to some other developments that we've been following as well when it comes to the Supreme Court.
Right. So we're expecting a verdict from the judge after the holidays. And remember, the question in this case is merely one of penalties. What kind of fines and penalties is the judge going to impose? And to what extent is he going to essentially separate the Trumps from their New York business? And there's some appellate issues around that. So he's not totally free. He's constrained in some areas. But a lot is going to rest on how the judge decides to impose these penalties. And it could be very severe. It could essentially suspend or prohibit former President Trump and his children from doing business in the state of New York. And that would be a big blow to their real estate empire.